used to run my business exclusively from a desk like this, but nowadays I run it from these. I'm not working right now. I'm just going about my day. But at the same time, I'm replying to messages, taking calls, refining ideas, and capturing content completely hands-free. This isn't a gadget. It's truly like a second brain. It's wild. Hey there, I'm Latasha James. I'm a content creator and online business owner, and today I'm breaking down the exact workflow I use to turn my everyday routines into an online course and marketing plan 100% hands-free. So day one is all about clarity. Instead of sitting down to think, I like to move my body. Whether I'm going for a walk or riding on my bike or just doing some Pilates, I use that time to think and then talk my ideas out loud. I'll ask things like, hey Meta, can you tell me about the biggest problems businesses face when trying to grow on social media?
It's a real challenge for a lot of brands.
Then I refine it. Okay, now can you take those top 3 problems and turn them into a course outline for me, please? What's great about that is it's like I'm not guessing anymore, right? I've got real structure based on real insights. And as ideas come up, I'll say things like, remind me to include this later so I don't lose anything. And at the same time, I'm capturing clips that I can use later for social content. No setup, no friction, just real thoughts in real time. So day 2 is where a lot of people get stuck. It's that blank page moment. It's like, where do I start? It can be really overwhelming, believe me, I know. But thanks to these, I get to skip that part completely. Instead, I just talk through my ideas as I'm going through my day. Maybe I'm making coffee, going for a walk, cleaning things up around the house. I'll say things like, turn this into a lesson with 3 key takeaways.
Yep, let's zoom in on cutting through the noise. Lesson 1 is all about getting seen in crowded feeds.
Okay, and can you give me an example of how to apply this? And just like that, messy thoughts become structured content. I don't have to stop to write. I get to build as I go. And the best part is I'm capturing content at the same time. So I'm not just creating the course, I'm actually creating the marketing for it as well. And be sure to stick around. In about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the one command that saved me hours of work last week. Day 3 is all about strategy. This is where I go slow and get more intentional. I'll ask things like, okay, who is this really for? Hey Meta, what outcome can I confidently promise? What would make this a no-brainer to buy?
Honestly, what makes it a no-brainer is making it super practical and fast to apply. So real examples, plug and play templates for hooks and calls to action.
And I don't just take the first action, I actually sit with it and think about it and refine it. Can you let me know what you think of this landing page?
Looks clean and professional, focused on social media management and coaching. A few tweaks could make it pop more.
And instead of guessing, I'll just ask, hey, Meta, can you give me 3 pricing tiers for this? Now I'm not just picking a random number, I'm actually building an offer that makes sense for me and for my customers and audience. So by day 4, everything really starts to compound. Because I've been capturing content the whole time, I'm not starting from zero, which is great. I already have real behind the scenes footage, and I can take that and turn it into short form content, storytelling clips, and other content that shows the process of building this in real time. And I can even say things like, hey Meta, can you suggest a caption for my last picture?
How about something like slow mornings before big things?
Or, okay, cool. Can you help me turn that into a launch post as well? So instead of creating content from scratch, I'm just documenting what I'm already doing. And on day 5, welcome, we're ready to launch. So the course is done, the content is ready. And what's also really great is the audience is already warmed up from all of the content that we've been sharing throughout the process. What's great about that is it takes a lot of the stress off. It's just a logical next step. It doesn't feel like a big stressful launch. So on this day, day 5, I'm gonna post updates, I'm gonna share content, I'm gonna answer real questions in real time. And that momentum is truly what drives conversions. People love to be a part of this story. They love to see a behind the scenes moment, and they love to see that you're a real person engaging with them and wanting to help. So truly, this isn't about working more, it's about working differently. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I turn my everyday moments into content, momentum, and ultimately revenue. So if you've been stuck staring at a screen all day, I feel you, I've been there, but maybe it's time to switch up the way that you work. Hey, thanks for tuning in to this video. Be sure to subscribe to the Ray-Ban Meta YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions about the Ray-Ban Meta glasses or any comments or video suggestions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.